of you. I hope you all are well. Today we continue our chapter globe, latitude and longitude. Okay. Today we continue with longitude. The term longitudes refer to the angular distance east or west of prime meridian or the Earth's surface. The word meridian is derived from Latin word meridius, meaning noon. Everybody know what is the meaning of meridian? This is the noon. It is noon on any one point or place on the prime meridian. PM. Everybody know what is the meaning of PM? AM is anti-meridian and PM is prime meridian. Okay? Or any other meridian, it will be noon. Throughout the other points of place on the same line, the prime meridian is the line of longitude that passes through the British Royal Observatory at Greenwich near London and has been given the value of zero longitude line. It is called prime because all meridians are given values which refer to the line east or west of it. All other long values range from 0 degree to 180 degree in neither direction. 0 to 180 degree in either direction. Sorry, I translate wrong. So value range for the 0 degree to 180 degree in either direction. Okay. The letter E is east or W is the west. The letter E or W is affected to the valve, especially whether the place of eastern hemisphere or the western hemisphere respectively. For example, 77 degree E is in India and 77 degree west is in a Virginia, USA. Okay. Importance meridian of longitude. Prime meridian measuring 0 degree longitude line together with 180 degree longitude line directly opposite divided the earth into the two hemispheres, the western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere. Both 0 degree and 180 degree longitude line are common to both the hemispheres. Okay, this is the common way. Therefore, there are 360 degree meridians of longitude all over the globe. The characteristics of the longitude line help us to the measure distance east or west of prime meridian. We got for the longitude line for the measuring distance. Okay, east to west. All meridians are semicircles. In combinations with the opposite meridian, they form great circle of equal length. Because the combined value of two opposite longitude is always 180 degree. Is it clear? If anything else, please ask me. Then, any great circle's roots represent the shortest distance on the surface of spherical Earth. Okay. The longitude together with the parallel lines help us in exact location of the place on the Earth's surface. Okay, that's all today.